So, okay, guys. Hope you all are doing well. Now, I don't think anyone will come, so we can start our session. Okay. So today, what we are going to learn, let me show you. Just give me 1 minute. I think my screen is visible to everyone, right? So let me show you here. Just give me. So today we are going to understand where it gone. We are going to understand how to make this animation. Okay, so very easily you can do it. So step by step we are going to understand. See, this is the final output. We are going to understand how to make this type of animation. If you will notice how the car is coming, if car is coming like speed, then it is gradually slow it down and then it is getting a stop. So these are the things we are going to understand. The topic name is, let me write it for you, file new smooth animation. Okay, what are the things we are going to learn? We are going to learn easy in, easy out, and easy ease. So these are three animation keyframes which we are going to understand how these things will work. Okay, and with the help of these animation you will get a smooth animations. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, what we need to do, let, let me minimize everything. I'm going to start with the new document from the zero. I'm going to start from here, new composition. Okay, so I have one file with me, that is your project file. This is your car, which I already done it in your Illustrator. So from starting I'm going to show you how you are going to make the things available for working. So where it gone, just give me 1 more minute. We already discussed about the null object, parenting object. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start what are the easy in, what are the easy out, and what are the easies. We are going to understand these things. But before understanding these things, what are easy in, easy out, and easy is, first I need to work on the Illustrator. First, why we are using the Illustrator? So that we can separate our cars and the wheels for making the animation. So as I told you, I already have the project file. If you want, I will share it. If you don't, you can download it from Freepik. See, this is my car, right? And from here I'm going to import my file over here. Let me close this one. So basically this is my car, and if you will notice, this car is having lots of options. That means it is entire a group project, right? So what we need to do, we need to ungroup all. Okay, so I will select and remove the background from here. Now I will select extra part. See, this part is also in the group, so I will ungroup this one from here. Okay, now I will select this one and delete it. Now we are having, see, this is my car and this is my wheels. So I will select this two wheels together, make it down. Okay, now I will select this one and press Ctrl X, cut this one, and just create one more layer from here. Now you can paste it. So this is your first wheel, and again what I will do, Control X, and from from this layer properties I will make it Control V. So I have two parts. So see, we are having this part and this part. Now with the help of alignment tool I will just align it little bit, and this is the body part. So I will select this two tire and I will make it separate once again. I will select all the car section and remove extra part which I don't want. Now I have only this part. Now I will group it so it will become one. Now I will select this and I will keep it here. Okay, now I'm going to save this file. See, if you want to rename, you can easily do that. This one and this one. So I will just rename this one, will be tire 1 and tire 2. So we are having two parts, this one and this one, and again I will add it as a body, body, body. Now once you are having, you already set all the things together, now you need to save your files. How you are going to save your files? Just go to the file, save as, save as in your desired location. So right now I'm going to save it as a Adobe Illustrator file, and I'm going to make it as a car underscore one, because I already have the car file, that's why I'm saving it as a car one. Now press OK from here. Once you save your files, what you need to do, you need to import this one into your After Effects. So how I'm going to import it? Just open your After Effects. See, I just started from the zero level. See, this is my entire After Effects. Just go to the file, just go to the import, go to the file, find your desired location where it is located. So in my case it is located on the desktop. So I will select this one as a car one and I will import it. Now you will see in the last class we already discussed, we are having this compositions thing and the footage thing. So if you are going to add or if you want to do the animation, just go with the composition things. If you want to make the footage only one image, so you need to change it in the one footage. So in my case I'm going to make it as a composition because I need to work on it. So I will press OK. Now you will see my car is here. Okay, but the composition, this background is very small, right? So what I need to do, I will select this composition and I will press Ctrl K on my keyboard. Okay, so you need to press Ctrl plus K. Once you are having this Control K, you can see it is written width and height. So width is 1920 by 1080, and frame rate I'm going to take it 24, and duration I'm going to take it 10. Okay, now once I will press OK, you will see my composition is changed. If you want to make this car small, just with the help of a small thing you can make it. Okay, so this is the one process. Now second process, you can see we are having this car layers. Okay, so what I'm going to do, even if you will go inside, you will find these cars wheels over here. So this, let me tell you the second process. This is the first process. You can directly import your cars in the composition and change the composition settings. The second way of doing this one, what you can do, select all the cars file and drag and drop over here. Now this is the body, I will select this one and make it back, so I will get all the things together. So one file, second file, and third file. Now I will just add one background behind that. Just take the solid color, keep it here. Now once you are having this one, what we need to do, we need to rotate this wheel. Okay, this is my wheel, this one and this one. Now how to do that? Just go to the rotations. First of all, I will mark it let's say how much time I want. Let's say I want to go with the 4 seconds, so I will press N on my keyboard for selecting the working area. How much the working area you want to select, press N on your keyboard, the entire selection will be done for you. Now just select your first layer and the second layer. You will notice this is my first layer and this is my second layer. So first I will select this one and make the rotation. Inside this rotation, you can see the rotation is happening from here, which I don't want. I want to rotate it from the center. So I will just going to use pan behind tool and make it from the center, from here. And again I will select my tire 2. I will select this one and I will keep it over here in the center. So you are having the rotation from here. Okay. Now I need to rotate it. How I am going to rotate it? On the first frame, I don't want to add any animation, but moving forward till 4 second, I want to make this rotation approximately 15, or you can make it minus 15 because I need to make it negative values. So you can see my rotation will come like this. Okay. Now see, I'm just doing the simple animation over here. Now again, I will select the second tire. Just go to the rotation tool once again. Select this one, rotation tool. And in the end of this one, I will make the rotation same like minus 15. So 15 times it is going to be rotated. Okay. So this thing is very easy. Now, this thing you already learn how to rotate the subject and do all the things. Now once you understood how the things are working around, now we need to understand what are easy is, what are easy in, what are easy out. What for 15 second, wait, what was 15? 15 second is for the rotation, dear. See this one, and it is located here. Select this wheel, this tire wheel, and from the rotation section, this one, this rotation. So in 1 second it is going to rotate here 15 times. Okay. Like from 1 to 4 second it is going to rotate 15 times this wheel. Okay. So that's how this thing will work. Now, yes, on the rotation tier. Now once you are having this rotation through, it was something else. No, 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 no. Only rotation. I just added the rotation keyframes, nothing more than that. I just imported the files from Illustrator and just added the rotations over here. That's it. Just a simple rotation. Now the things which I'm going to discuss, that will be different, and that you need to understand, because maybe possible that will be little complex to understand. Okay. Now I hope I'm clear to everyone. Now what I need to do over here, let's say this is my composition panel, this one. Okay. Now I will just create new composition for making the things clear. Okay. I am going to create new solid. Now our, this will be our new topic. Let's say we need to understand how the keyframes and everything's are working. Like we are having easy in, easy out, so that thing we need to understand how the things are working over here. So I will select this one and I will create it one. Now again I will copy it. With the help of position I will just change it like this, and with the help of this position I will change it like this. So we are having three triangles or the squares. So what I am going to do, on the till 4 second or the 5 second, press N. Okay. Now I will just make sure to animate it very easily, just like changing the position of this objects. So see this one over here and this one. So I will select this one first. With the help of position I am going to give very simple animation till here. So in this case we are considering this is as a car. So we can start it from here itself. Now again this one, I will come back, or you can do one thing, just select the position from starting, add the position keyframes on both of them, go to the end here and make your key animation like this. I just created a simple animation for the position keyframes. Now if you will notice what we have here, the animation is happening something like this. Oh no, we need to start from same place, let's say here. So you will see my three triangles or my three cars are moving in the same direction with the same speed and with the same flow. But if you will notice in the keyframe, if I'm going to select this keyframe and if I will do right click over here, you will see in the keyframe assistant we are having easy in, easy out and easy ease. So we are going to discuss about these things, how we are going to control and what are the difference between easy out, easy in and easy ease. So let's say if we are having this one and I need to apply easy in over here. So what I will do, I will select this one, right click, assistant, easy out. So if I will apply the easy out, you can see the keyframes is changed over here. This one, before that it was like this, and whenever I'm going to hit on change, it will give me the changes over here. It will show me like easy out. This is the sign of your easy out. Now what will happen, see, you can see the difference. First of all, this key, this and this rectangle is getting slow first, then after few seconds it will become fast. Just focus it over here because this is my animation where I applied it. See, from the initial stage it will getting slow, then after few moment it is getting fast. Slow, then it is becoming fast and it is becoming on the same speed. Make it little bit more forward. Just hold for a few seconds so that you can understand. See, from the starting it will be a slow, then it will become fast, and then after it will be on the same speed. So that's how your easy out will work. That means our initial stage, our initial velocity will be very slow, then after gradually it will become fast and it will come to the same speed with another things. I hope I'm clear to easy out things for everyone. Anything you want to ask, guys? Any question you want to ask? Okay, now once you are having this one, once you understood how the easy out is working, same thing we are having over here. If you will notice, same thing we are having easy in. So if I will select this one, let's say I want to animate this one as easy in, so I will select this keyframe, I will do right click over here, I will just go to the keyframe assistant and you can see it is written easy in. So if I will click over it, now you will see the keyframe is changed. Now if I'm going to play it, you will see what is happening. So in easy in, what will happen is start fast and then end will be very slow. So see, it is getting start with the same frame. Now slowly it will, the speed is getting slow. So let me hide this one so you will get it in better way. See, it will slow, it will start fast, then slow way, it will stop very slow. See, like this, start fast, then it is slow. Then here on this one, easy out, start will slow and then it will become fast. So I think you got the difference between them. The first is start fast, make the keyframe. No, 4 second is fine. 4 second is fine. So it's totally fine. See, First frame, this one, let me show you one by one. So this is my first frame where you can see I applied easy in, where I told you start fast, then it will become slow. So if I'm going to make it fast, whenever I'm going to play this one, you will see it will become fast and gradually it will become slow. Fast, then it will become slow. Okay. Now, if I will show you this one, just hide this one, it will become slow. Easy out will become slow, then it will become to the normal speed. Turn it on, slow, then it will become fast and come to the normal speed. So that's how your easy in and easy out is working. Now let me turn on all the settings for you. Now you can compare all of them together. Okay, now one more keyframe is remaining, that is easy ease. Okay, that means slow start, it will become first, it will become slow start, then in the mid it will become fast, and then it will slow. So I will select how I'm going to apply this easy ease. So I will select all the keyframes together, right click, keyframe assistant, and from here you will see it is written easy ease. So what I'm going to do, I will apply this one easy ease. Now you will notice it will go slow, then in the mid it will become fast, and then it will slow. So that's how the easy ease will work. Fast, then it will become slow. It's look like very natural. So it is look like a just a car. So once the car is started, it will slow, then in the middle it will become fast, and when the car is going to stop, it will become slow. So let me show you the difference between all of them. So see, first what will happen, it will start slow, then it will become fast, then it will become slow. So that's how the easy ease are working. And most of the time, in the many cases, whatever the drawing and whatever the things you are going to create, whatever the motion graphics you are going to make it in your future or your for the projects, so make sure to apply this one. Oh my god. Okay, so make sure to apply these effects, like you need to apply this easies. Most of the time you are going to play around with the easies, but you need to also understand how the easy out and the easy ease are working. Okay, so I hope I'm clear to you, so that these things is very easy to understand how the easy ease and everything is going around. But if you still having problem, you are not able to understand, or because of any reason it might be confusing for you that you are not able to understand, let me show with the another example so that the things will be more clear to you. Let me create new composition. Okay, so let's say same thing I'm going to make it. So new solid I'm going to create here, and with the help of scale I will just make it like this and make it like this. Okay, now make it here. Now again, let's say till fourth frame, till here. What I'm going to do, I will select this one, this object, and in the rotation section, first frame I don't want to add anything, but in the end of the 4 second, maybe possible the rotation is happening approximately about 5 times, I guess. So just check this out, how the rotations are working over here. So just make it little bit more forward. Okay, now I will show you the difference. See, these keyframes don't have anything. These keys are very plain over here. Okay, I didn't apply anything yet, but I just simply I want to add a motion blur in it so that you can see the difference. Okay, so I just added the motion blur in it. Now let's say I want to apply easy ease on it. So what I need to do, I will select all the keyframes together. As I told you, whenever you are having any type of motion graphics, you need to add what you need to add your easy ease thing. So I will select both the keys. I will do right click over here in the keyframe assistant. What I'm going to do, I will apply easy ease over here. So once I have this easy ease, now you will see slowly it will start, gradually it will become very fast, and then after it will become slow. Very fast, then it will become slow. Slow, fast, and then it will become very slow. Now let's say if I want to add one more solid over here, okay, and if I'm going to scale it down from here like this, and if I will keep it here, now you will see in the first frame on the rotation I don't want to add anything. In the last frame I don't want to add anything. I will just give a single keyframe, and in the middle of this keyframe, let's say the rotation, the scale, yes, I need to give the scale. So first scale thing, I will add the scale, and in the last keyframe what I will do, I will make it empty keyframes. Now in the middle of 2 seconds or 5 seconds, I will make it big or small, somewhere like this. So see, I didn't apply anything over here. So now you will see the animation, how the animation is coming. Nothing happens over here, it is coming. Just feel the animation, how the animations are coming. Over here you will see the smoothness are there, but over here it is not smooth. It is just like scale in and scale out. Okay, now but if I'm going to select this all thing together, right, and then I will add it, right click, key assistant, easy ease. Okay, now you will notice the animation will become smooth. Just feel this animation. Now if I'm going to make it little fast, so how I'm going to select it, I will select all the keyframes, I will press alt on my keyboard, and I can drag it, this one and this one, so that I can make it little bit more fast animation. So you will have something like this. See how the animations are getting changed over here. Even just add the motion blur in it. Can you see this, how the animation is getting smooth? But if I'm not going to add any type of animation, it is just a simple animation. So you need to decide according to the work, which type of work you are going to perform. Either it is the motion graphics, or either it is an animation where you want to give the smooth animation. Okay, and most of the time whenever you are having the motion graphics where you want to show the logo animations, logo reveal, masking, so I will suggest you to go with the easy ease animation. Okay, and always many times you need to apply this easy ease everywhere. Now if you will notice, just near to the motion blur we are having this part that is called your graph editor, which we are going to learn in the upcoming days, maybe possible by the next class or next class. And I will show you, let's say if we are having this animation keyframe here, so how you are going to control this animation graph editor for making the animation more smooth. Okay, so it will become more smooth, see. And time to time if you want to change the animation on that particular keyframes, you can easily do that. So by the next class we are going to discuss about the graph editor as well. So for now, for today only, we are having this keyframes, how we can control our keyframes with the help of easy in and the easy out. I think things are clear to you. Any questions, anything you want to discuss? Any questions, guys? Good. Okay, so now we are moving forward to understand how we are going to create our car animations over here. So just give me 1 minute. Okay, so moving forward now, uh, I already set this into my composition settings, this car. Now I need to change my composition as I told you. So I am going to make it approximately 10 seconds. Sorry. Width I am going to take 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now we are having this car, and this car seems to be very big, so I will select all of them and make it small like this. Now, one by one, we are going to understand, once we have the concept of easy in, easy out, easy ease, how the things are going and why we are using easy in, why we are not using easy out. Once we have the clear concept, now those things we are going to apply on the car movements. So first of all, we are having this tire 1, tire 2, and then after we are having body, and then after I am going to create one solid layer. Where it gone? I will select this one, drag and drop behind. Now, first of all, I am going to create the rotation of my wheel. Okay, so how I am going to rotate it? I will select this first tire, and as I told you, we need to set our anchor point with the help of this pan behind tool. I will make it in the center here. With the help of pan behind tool, I will again set my center point to this one. Now I have two rotations. Now I will select all of them and I will press R. So you can see the rotation keys are activated. So let's say till fourth frame here, I will press N. So I am going to create 4-second animation. Now on the tire one, I need to rotate this one, this rotation. First frame, I don't want to add anything, but moving forward to the 4-second, I guess. Okay, I will make it approximately -15 so that it will become a rotation. Okay, now again same thing I'm going to apply. See, I didn't apply till now anything, that it is just a normal animation keyframes. Now in the tire 2, again I will select this one, moving forward over here. Now again I will make it rotation -15, so I will get it the rotation value somewhere like this. Okay, now what I will do, I will just make sure to make it little bit more forward so that it is coming like this. Okay, my both the wheels are getting stopped at the same time. Now once we are having this one, I will select this one. See, I can also do that. What? As I told you, to link the object with the help of this strip, this plastic strip like this, which we already connected with the null object, right? So now what I can do, I will select this first tire and I can attach with the body, and again I can create this tire and I will attach to the next body. So what will happen, my entire wheel is getting connected with this body. So now you will notice what is happening, it is getting connected from here. So whenever I'm going to select my body, my whole things are getting connected. So I can also animate it like this. So on the body part, if I will add the position and moving forward, let's say till 2 frame, I can animate it like this. So you are having something like this animation, it is coming like this and then it is becoming stop without doing the body movement. But that process is little problematic. There you can get confused why we are getting connected to each other, what are these things. Okay, so we will sort this out in the coming classes. We are not following this step for now. So what we are going to do, let me make it back. So this is from the earlier, which we already created the animation keyframes like this of this wheel, right? What we are going to do, see, select all the things, select all your layers, whatever the layers you have from starting to the end, right? Right click, make it pre-comp. Pre-comp, what it will do, it will make a group of a layers, just like a composition. So inside that composition you will find all these three layers, right? So, and if you want to change anything, you need to go inside that composition. So the same thing which I'm going to do it right now, that is your pre-comp. It is just like a group. So what I will do, I will make it pre-comp, just give it as a car, and I will press OK from here. Now you will see only one layer I have. And where are Illustrator files? All Illustrator file is going inside this car. So whenever I am going to double click on it, you can see all my files are here. If you want to go back in your composition on the same file, you need to go over here. You can see it is written composition. So click over this car composition, uh, this one here. Okay, this car composition, now you are having this car composition, and inside this you are having this layer where you can control all the Illustrator layers. Now once you are having this one, you will notice again this whole car is attached with one object. That means I can simply animate this car outside of the frame. So first frame on the position, I can add it like this, moving forward to three or four frames long. I will make it inside and I will stop till here. Okay, now what we are having just a simple animation which car is coming here and it will get stopped. See, the movement is very straightforward. It is coming and stopped, nothing happens. Okay, so it is coming and getting stopped. So just fix the tire, coming fine, and then stop. Perfect. Again it is coming like this and then stop. So nothing happens till now. So what we need to do now, we are going to apply the easy ease effects. So how I am going to apply? So first of all, I will just go inside my layers where I can find tire 1, tire 2. Inside this position you can see we are having on the rotation section we are having these keyframes. So what I will do, I will select this keyframes and I will make it F9 on my keyboard, or you can do right click here, key assistant, easy ease. Okay, so I applied the easy ease. Now you will see start gradually, then it will stop smooth. It will become very fast in the middle, then after that it will become very smooth. Now once I have this easy ease, I will come back to my normal layer from here. That will be the car option. Now what I will do, I will just make sure to make it back, and in the position section, I already applied this keyframes. So I will select this keyframes from here to here. Now what I will do, I will apply F9 over here. Now if I will go to the key assistant, or you can do easy ease from here, now you will see what will happen. The car will come like this and make fast and then it will stop. Can you see the difference? Now I will just add the motion blur in it. Now it is coming very fast in the center, then it will become small, then it will become, see, very gradually it is getting stop. Now if you want to make little bit more detail animation, what you can do, we need to play around with this bar graph editor, which I already told you we will discuss later on. But let's say if you want to make this body, this car body, little bit shaky, like let's say the first frame we are having nothing, so not required for adding on the first frame your this easy ease. So what I can do, I will select this all and delete it for now. Position, I don't want to add anything. Moving forward till 4 second here, I will just make it inside here like this. Okay, but first frame I don't want to add any keyframe, so I will select this one and I will press F9. So from the starting it will come like normal, then on the end it will really see how it is, how it's look like. Very smoothly it is stop. First it is coming slow, then in the middle it is getting fast, then when it's time to come to stop, now you will see how the stop is working. So now you can feel the animation, how the animation is going around. Okay, so that's how you can control easy in, easy out, easy ease. Okay, now let's say you already have this animation from here to here. You're done with the whole animation. Now if you want to render your file, but before render, let me set this one plus this one. I will make it from here. If you want to add some background in it, so what I will do, I will just download one background from the Google. Vector background. So I'm just, for the showing purpose, I am downloading any background. So I have this file and I will drag and drop over here. Now I will replace with the car background. I will hide this one. Now we are having this background. So hide this one for a while. Moving forward, select this car, select this one plus this one, activate this one. Now make it down like this. So you are having some animation like this. Now you can animate the background as well. Select your background. So I will select this one, press P on my keyboard, and from here to here I will very slow animate my background. I need to add one more background, so better to don't change the position. I will just make the scale thing. So I will select this one, and till here I will scale it like this. So you are having something like this. So I will select this keyframe and I will press F9, so it will give you smooth animation. Okay, so very easily you can do this type of animation with the help of your key things. And that's all. Any question you want to ask, anything you want to discuss, any part which you are not able to understand how the things are going around, or anything, any problem you want to ask? That's how you can create this small animation. Any question guys, anything? Okay, good. So I'm going to save this file. Okay, and file, save as. So I already saved this file. Now what you need to do, you need to try to make this effect. And in the meantime, see, I told you so many things like how to control easy in, easy out, rotations, car animations, motion blur, right? Your pre-com things, how to do the pre-com things. Okay, so try to make this animation, but if you want to make it little bit more advanced, let's say the car is coming like this, and if you want to made little bit more adjustment inside this body part, right? So this is my body. Here you can animate it if you want. Okay, so in the first frame I will make it on the position. First frame I don't want to add anything. Moving forward, in the last I don't want to add anything. like this, and in the center I will make it little bit up. So you are having something like this. So I will select this one, press F9 on your keyboard. Now you are having smooth animation. Now I will come back to the car animation from here. Now you are having something like this. For detail animation, see what is happening once the brake is applied, your car is going to push it little bit forward. So that is the detail thing. If you want to work, you can see car is coming like this. Now once the brake is applied, car is going forward. Now I am going to save this file. Once the things are over, you can try to create this one, and in the meantime, if you are having any problem questions, just ask me, I will help you out.